I see people are joining here on Zoom. Hello, Kiran. Nice to see you here. All right, and we are live on Facebook page and pretty much everywhere as well. All right, so everybody, thanks for joining. This is Cyber Monday. This is our big day because we are launching another lifetime deal, and I'm so excited because this is so cool. Like, we will be building messenger bots completely from scratch with the new platform we just launched on PitchGround. And I'm joined here by Vijay, COO and co-founder of SilferBots.
Hello, team. I'm really excited with the PitchGround launch. So today I will go through the platform. So I hope you will enjoy the walkthrough.
Same here. I see more people are joining. Hello, Nando. Hello, Reggie, Terry, Aaron. So nice to see you here. So everybody, this is how today's webinar will go. First of all, we will walk you through very quickly what SilferBots are, how you can use it. Then we will jump into live building. And then, of course, as usual, there will be a huge Q&A in the end. So if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask. And I'm noting all the questions and I'll be asking them in the end of the webinar. So once again, thanks everybody for joining. And I think that we can jump right into the topic. Please let us know on Facebook if you can hear us. Just type yes or something because sometimes there are some technical problems. And yeah, let's begin. So Vijay, tell me about SilferBots in a few sentences. What is it? How can I use it? And then we'll jump right into the live building.
Yes, SilferBot is a complete messenger marketing platform where it can be used for lead generation, where it can be used for customer support, where it can be used for e-commerce. So anything that you can imagine in messenger bot, yes, our platform is supports that one. And we are coming up with a lot of integration to make much more platform robust. So as I said, the SilferBot is a complete messenger marketing platform. So you imagine anything that you want to do, it's this platform.
Yeah, and what I like is that you basically, your USP is that you combine like these e-com platforms with normal platforms for SMBs such as ManyChat or ChatFuel, and we'll see it in action. So Vijay, if you could maybe please start sharing your screen and let's dive right into it because these webinars are quite long because of all the Q&A in the end. So I think that we can start showing it how it all works.
Sure. So let me know once you guys can able to see my screen.
I can see your screen.
Okay, let's push this window above. I know a lot of Q&A question would be coming. I would be not having option to see that, and Jacob will be helping at the end of this webinar to answer them. Meanwhile, my team is ready to answer you there, whatever the question. So definitely you can get, before I can answer you, some of the questions are answered there directly. Let's begin this walkthrough. So today I don't have any presentation. Today is all about walkthrough about our platform. I just want to show you that, okay, different sections of our platform. And then I will jump on to creating a simple bot, okay, where I will show you that, okay, how you can create bots here. So this is the website. You can able to see that get started free. So if you are the first time user, then you need to start here. So this is kind of a registration into our platform, and then once you register, then this is the login page where you need to log in. So since I already registered here, so it's not too much difficult to register here, nothing fancy also. So that's simple. So let me log into my system. So once I log into this, it will ask me to sign in with the Facebook. So once it has been signed in, so it will directly take to me a dashboard. Let me show you how do you connect here for any of your Facebook page. So you can go here. So you can see most of the menus are available here. If you go on your left top right, top left, okay, you can able to click the if you click the burger menu, you could able to see all the sections that are available in our dashboard. So if you want to add new pages to creating bots, okay, once you click on this one, you got options here to create new bot. So in case you will be not having any of the existing thing, so there will be only this option will be available. Once you click on to this button, then it will take to you a Facebook page. So you must be admin of the Facebook page. then only you can able to create messenger bot. So let me click off this button. So I would be going very fast, Jakob. Like, please let me know whenever I am just rushing. Okay, or anyone like
Okay.
who did not follow. Okay.
Yeah, and
Okay.
also,
So
guys, if you will don't notice something you would like to see, just let us know in the chat, please, and we'll walk you through it again.
yes. So the ones you logged in with your Facebook, I'll try to keep my face a little low. Okay. So consciously, I want to keep it low. So once you logged into Facebook page, then sorry, Facebook, then you can able to see what are the Facebook pages that you are admin. Then you can able to connect here. So suppose if I want to connect a PG demo, let me connect this. So then click on subscribe to updates. Yes, so you are in. So your bot is connected to your Facebook page, and this is the dashboard. So you can get any templates, that ever-ending templates we are adding day, weekly, two or three. We are started adding our templates. So probably you can pick up some of the templates which matches to your business, and then you can get started. Or if you want to create from scratch, then I will show you how you can get started. So this is the dashboard once you logged into the platform, and you have a lot many section here like dashboard, e-commerce, audience flows, live chat, setup, AI, broadcast, and tools, settings, and then free templates will go to the marketplace where you can get the templates. And today I'm not going to take this e-commerce since we have been scheduled for tomorrow e-commerce. Again, this is going to be a little more because we need to connect with Shopify, we need to connect with the WooCommerce. And if in case if these two are not there, then how we can able to do order management, adding products, everything. This is going to be another session which is planned tomorrow. So apart from this, the rest of the section I will take care today. So this is the dashboard, and you can see this is the bot link. So suppose if you want to share some your bot link, you can directly copy here, and then you can start sharing this thing. And this is the filter, so you can able to see all the stats, like if you want to see stats today, yesterday, last 7 day, 30 days, this month, last month. So lifetime, like if you want a customer range, you can do so. This is the filter. And this is the user, this is the total user. So people who are connected to your messenger bot. So this is the total user, and this is the new user. So this new user are based on your selection. So it shows last 7 days one user has been this. And active users who are maybe commented, maybe start using, or they are active in your bot. So those are the people who are interacted in last 7 days. Those are people called as active users. And this is the sales, since we have native integration to e-commerce product. So you can able to see sale dashboard. So the first module is earning by date. This is a e-commerce module, and there is a full report on this. I will take care in deep into tomorrow. This is very simple, where you can able to see what is the earning by date, which is the top product sold, which is the top deal has been, top vendor has been sold, and a lot of other information it can be seen. Then moving on to the total user. So you can able to see the growth of your user. So this way you can able to see that whether people are subscribing or unsubscribing. So you could be able to see the total users on your bot. And this is user message. This user message is basically while we are creating our AI to answer some of the questions, maybe FAQ or customer support, anything. Sometimes if the question is been not answered, then we can able to see in not recognized by AI. Then what we can do is we can go to full report and then see which are not being recognized. I will show you a little later how we can able to see those information, and then how we can start adding into your in your bot back. And these are the things which are recognized by AI. So that will help you to create maybe FAQ, or maybe article on that particular questions. If people are asking more and more on that particular question, then you can able to see. Let me take a brief overview on full report, and even I will come back here once we start creating some of the FAQ questions in our setup AI. So this is the user message. What we saw in the dashboard, it's the same thing. And this is the user messages with no response. So you can able to see the question which has been not responded by our AI and what is the number of the count, so that you know that okay, this question been asked again and again. And user message with response, where you can see that what kind of are user questions that are coming again and what is the total count of that. And most answered training phrases, so whatever the we trained phrases, okay, so that way we know whether the trained phrases are working perfectly. So this is the overall report. I will come back again here so that we can see that how we can able to get the messages where we don't have responses with responses, everything. Then moving back the other modules, this is the new user. Since you can see it, this is the total user. This is the new users based on your filter. So since we selected for last 7 days, so this is the thing that you can able to see last 7 days. And this new user by sources, this is again last 7 days new sources. It might be your QR code, it might be a send to messenger ad, it might be m.me link, or it might be a ref URL ID. Like there are different channels that we can able to acquire, and the sources we can acquire that you can able to see here. And this is the total user by source. This is like new user by source, this is the total user. So that's why we can able to understand how more people are coming, either through website, through chat plugin, or through our ads, or maybe through emails when we are sending the link, or probably maybe in the blog post when we add our link. So that's why we can able to see. And then we can concentrate more on other channels which it has been not improved. Then we can able to see new user by gender. So this way you can able to see what is the ratio of male and female. Based on this, your bot can be taken into the next level. Yeah, this is the total session by ref parameter. So you can able to like whenever you do any promotion and when you attach ref, you can able to see like what is the session they spent in this one. And there is again fill report on this one. Then new user by language, so this you can able to see different languages. And suppose if your user are more in the other languages, or anything that you feel like okay, most of the people are coming from Europe region, then you can start creating multilingual bots. So
Mhm.
this is the complete dashboard uh, section. So let me move on to the audience. So since, as I said, e-commerce will be taken care in tomorrow module, but let me move on to the audience now. So audience are nothing but subscriber. Basically, you can able to see that the total number of subscriber here. So by default, Facebook will give us first name, last name, the language, and then the time zone, male, female details, and how they opted in. So like if we can see here, send to messenger plugin. So I came here, send to pleasant plugin, and I can see that last seen. So this is way that you can able to see when is the last user that has been seen and when they opted in here. So if you click on this one, you can able to see the images will be loaded.
Mhm.
So there are three actions that you can do in the audience. One, you can do bulk actions. So suppose if I have maybe hundreds or thousands of members, probably I want to do certain actions. For example, maybe I want to select a time zone. Okay, so probably there might be some maybe just like Black Friday or something. Maybe it is something local to particular country. Then what they can do is they can filter, like for example, if I want to filter based on time zone equal to or s, then I can select 5.5. So 5.5 is the India time zone. So once I do filter, so I can able to see here. And you can see that none of the other time zones are not available because there is only one user, which is me. Then I can see if multiple users are, you can see that okay, only those time zones are available, so that I mean, you will be not confused with the multiple time zones. So it will show which are available on your subscriber. So like there are, you can have many options here. You can choose by language. So again, you can see the only English GB, Great Britain. So this is what my based on my Facebook page. Then And if you have multiple languages, again, the same thing will happen here. So we have gender, time zone, opted in date, opted in through last in, last interaction, subscription. So there are lot many things that you can able to filter. So once you filter, now you need to do bulk actions. Maybe you need to add a tag, maybe you need to add a custom field information, or maybe you want to send a sequence. Let me show you that. Assume that, okay, I made a selection here. Once I click on those selections, and I can do this bulk action. So I can add them tag, maybe I can remove the tag, maybe I can set the custom field, I can clear the custom field, I can delete the user, and I can enable live chat, I can disable live chat, and export PSID. And this PSID can be used for different ways. One, once you can export and you can create a custom audience in your Facebook ads. So this is what you can able to do it. Very soon we are coming up sponsor ads, and this more advanced custom audience, where we are planning to have that inside our platform. So as of now, you can export them and create custom audience in your Facebook ad manager. So the the third function is search. So if you want to search, then you can type the name and then you can search. So definitely will get that results. So this is the three functionality. So yes, although I say this is three functionality, these are so powerful. You can see the filter. So you got lot many things here. You can see whether they saw the video or image, the tags, whether they voted. If you sent any feedback, then maybe you can see that if people are not voted, maybe you can send a reminder to vote them again, maybe to get the feedback. And people who bought the particular product, so it might be like people who bought some product, and there may be chances that, okay, the other product gonna be mostly bought. We can assume like that. You can see in Amazon, they would be say people who bought this one bought this. So just like that, we can maybe we can select the people and then send maybe another promotion saying that this product may be a match for you, and here is maybe a 10% 20% discount. So that's where you reach very customized. So this is so powerful. So you can see that interacted in last 24 hours inside 24 bar plus one policy. Although this will go away after January 15 due to Facebook rules changes with the 24/1 policy. So till then, you can start using this one. So this is so powerful. I can say that one, with this you can do marvelous things. And search, very simple. As I said, you can search if you have many people. Yeah, bulk action, this is also so powerful. As I said, if you want to add tag, remove tag, so you can do many of the things. Suppose if you want to see deep dive about that particular user, once you click on to that user, I can't say that it has a CRM like a details, but at least give a gist of information on particular user. You can see the name, the gender, language, what is the time zone, what is my local time, when I opted in, when I last seen, all other information that I can see. I can see these are the tags. So this way you can able to see that what are the tags that are available. I can say this is a demo tag. If I want to add something here, maybe I can add a test tag. I can add it very easily. And you can see the purchases, purchases has been done by the particular user. This is the custom field. Probably while in our customer journey, if you want to have any particular field need to be filled by the user, if they answered those values, you can able to see these are the message sent. So possibly when we do broadcasting, then you can able to see that which are the messages they sent. And viewed flow, the flows are nothing but when we create customer journey, then the flows which are they have been seen, that one. Then session through ref id, so we can see that. So this is the ref id that that I came in, and the source, and what is the date and time. And viewed attachment, so maybe if you sent any attachment, whether we wanted to make sure that the user has seen that or not, you can able to see viewed attachment. And this is voted. Since we can able to create polls, so you can create for a feedback. Maybe if you want to get product feedback, or maybe upcoming features that you want to prioritize, you can create them, and then you can see that what is the vote that has been done by the user. So complete the user information will be available once you click on to the user information. Okay, so moving on to the flows. Yes, this is I mean, I think the most important thing to build a messenger. So Let me go through this one, but I will start building this after I complete taking over the overview. So if you want to add flow, once you click on the flow, I will say this is a demo flow. Then I'll continue. So this you can able to see. So you have a lot many blocks more than our competitors. That's what I can say. So we have a text. This is a gallery. Sorry, yeah, it's a gallery with more information. So and sorry, this is a card and this is a gallery. Card is I mean multiple cards are gallery here, and this is the collections. So collections here, it might be a product, since we have an integrated e-commerce, or it might be your news, or it might be your polls, or it might be let me show you that. Okay, so what are the collections that you can get in here? So we can get events, election is nothing but polls, news, products, carousel, FAQ, and vendors. Either you can automate things and you can select particular category and then subcategory, then basically whatever the selection you do, that one will come. Or if you want to have manual, so you can go to the particular product, and if you want to choose one product, you can able to see that product here. So that this kind of will be used when comment to messenger, when someone maybe we posted some product and someone commented maybe price, maybe color, or maybe size or something. Then the moment someone comments, then you can able to push this particular product to them. So this is the one unique thing that we have here. And image, just like card, with one multiple call to action, but less than what we have in the card. Then this is the video, limitation of 25 MB. Then actions, so you have multiple actions. You can add tag, remove tag, subscribe to particular sequence, unsubscribe to particular sequence. Then enable live chat, disable live chat, trigger zap. We are already zap integrated. You can set custom field, you can clear field, notify admin, start another flow, start another step. So you can name it. You have many things. The other things we have integrated already with MailChimp, ActiveCampaign, Moosend. So if any user provided that information, then that information can be added to the subscriber list of that particular email autoresponder. And you can clear shopping cart, subscribe to bot, unsubscribe to bot. So this is powerful. Actions are many things you can able to do. So this is the typing. So it will show like kind of a typing thing in your bot, just to show that okay, like someone is typing that one. And the user input, so the user input, so you have like text type, email type, phone number, image, file, URL, date and time, and multiple choices. So we can do this thing. And conditions, so conditions are more powerful here again. So you have whether and condition or condition. So and is nothing but all the condition that met. Any condition, any of the condition is met. So you can create any or all conditions, and then you can create the condition. Again, you can see lot many actions here. This is so powerful, because once you know the business I mean customer journey, then it would be easy for you to use all these parameters, and then you can able to redirect to a right channel. You can see that you can bought this product, total spend, shopping cart empty, tag, so many powerful information here. See, when we say bought, okay, so what we did with our recent promotion is that because these are the people who bought our products, so chances are them would be more they will purchase our product because they already bought this product. I mean with our client, they bought the already product. They have already trust factor created. So what we can do is, maybe for Black Friday, we can say people who already bought, we can give them 20% discount because they already bought, and these are the people kind of a loyal to that business. Then we can send them people who bought on a Black Friday. So select on this day, then you can able to send them, okay, maybe send an offer code to them. You can do many things. So what if the user matches, what it is not user matches, this is the condition. Then we have FB video. This is the one cool thing, okay, because although we have video here, because it has the limitation of 25 MB, but suppose assume that, I mean if you have maybe a bigger video, which you can't able to do it through video. But those video can be uploaded here, and then that particular link if you provide, then that you can see. For example, this demo video can goes more than 1 hour, maybe 1.5 hour, then you can't able to upload this one. So probably you can just give the link of this webinar, and then still people can able to see inside the bot. Then audio, you can attach the audio, a file. Randomizer are like kind of A/B testing, so where you can able to choose them what is the next step they want to do, and you can also increase the probability. Suppose right now it is A/B testing, like 50% the people, I mean subscriber can go to this step, and 50 can go this. Suppose if I want to increase this percentage, then I can do so, like maybe 25-75 ratio. So that what will happen, probably if maybe we want to push people to more of this one, then something, it's your imagination what you want to do with this AB thing. Then we have dynamic. So dynamic are a little more advanced thing. Okay, suppose if you want to get it from the response from the other REST API or something like that, probably maybe developers would know more information of this get thing, post thing. Then you can able to get that input and then do certain other things. uh, then a smart delay is that, okay, so the delay can be if it is suppose if maybe the subscriber, the moment someone comes here and you want to have them notified maybe a couple of hours, maybe after fourth hour, maybe after 12 hours, something like that, then you can create this tag. So I can say that, okay, I want to notify the flow will come till here, and after this flow, this will trigger after 4 years, and rest of the flow will come after fourth. So you can able to do it. I mean, even you can do able to do with the sequence also. Suppose if something that you wanted to do inside here, you can able to do. So these are the blocks which you can able to do here. Anyway, I will just go through this once I move like complete overthrow of other section. Then I will come here and then I will create a small flow how you can create all those things. And I want to show this also here. So whenever you create anything, so you can able to preview here, and you need to publish, then only it can able to see. And these are do and redo. Suppose just in case you built bigger one, and you feel like that it has been saved already, but you are not happy with that, then you can go back. So once you click on redo, you can see that this was there which I deleted, it's come back. So if I want to go there, so I can go back this one. I mean, this is something really saves our time. Sometimes we overlook and then we delete something. Then it would be very difficult for us to get. Then this option will save us. And you have few more options here. You can rename this flow. You can duplicate this flow. Suppose maybe the customer journey may be similar. Then in that case, you can duplicate this one and then go to that duplicate and just change that flow. Then you can copy to another page. So basically, if I do duplicate here, so the flow will be copied. And if you want to copy to another page, like maybe you have another uh, a page which you connected, then you can copy to this one. And this is where you can get the JSON, and then you can use that for your Facebook ads. Since it is not published, that's why it is not enabled. Let me publish this simple thing that I want to do here. Suppose if I say hello, then I want to say first name, then let me publish this. Okay, you can preview, but you can publish flow when contents that are not supported free plan. Okay, looks like I'm in a free plan. Let me go back to a pro plan here. Demo, then continue. Then I will add text. Then I will publish. Okay, so now you can see this get JSON for messenger ads has been done. So once you click on that, so you cannot use variable like first name custom field due to limitation of Facebook. Okay, so then allow team publish this, then get a JSON. Okay, so you will get this JSON and you can take this and put it into your Facebook ads manager, then click to as a messenger ad will go directly to the flow. So this is where you can do it. And this is the other way of adding into your Facebook manager, click to messenger. So once you get this one, you will get this payload, and this payload can be used for your ads. So both that does one on the same thing. So if you add this payload in your messenger, click to messenger ads, then it will go to directly to this particular flow. Then you can delete and you can revert to the published things. So I'm just going back. Okay, so live chat. So as you saw in the flow that okay, so we can able to enable people to have a live chat, maybe disable having live chat, or maybe in the customer support probably when people had got basic questions, and if they did not got answer for the advanced one, then once they click on to live chat or take over by human or something like that, then the pop-up will come here where you can mark as the done, or you can click that button so that it will take to chat option where you can able to chat with the user. I will show you once we done with the walkthrough. Then
Okay.
setup AI. So this is the one that yes, Jakub, did you see who is Jakub? Jakub is growth hacker. Okay,
I remember
so
that.
yes. Okay. So this is the two things that you can do with your AI. The most frequently asked question, or maybe a customer support, or anything that you can imagine. Suppose if user types in something and you want to take to particular flow, you can do so here. And this is the keyword. Keywords are nothing but the keywords or a variation of particular words. I'll just go through you in a moment. Then broadcast. So this is the broadcasting. So once I click on broadcast, so I will have a lot many options here to select. So again, same filters where I can able to select language, gender, time zone, different options here. I can select them. I can, if I have some tags here, tags equal to, since I say like shoes, people who bought shoes, then I tag them. Then what is the message, the promotional? You can see right now the all the tags available after January 15th, then those tags will move to only 4, whatever the Facebook has been provided here. Then you can choose that particular tag. Then you can create flow directly here. I mean, that will take to flow builder, and then you can able to build it. And then, or if you have like existing thing that you already build, you can choose them. Okay, suppose I want to send them to demo flow, then I can send them. And when to send, whether I want to send them right away or I can schedule for later. It is user time zone. Based on the time zone it will send, or if I want to send all them at one time, then I can schedule it later. Then how user to be notified? So we have I mean, whether user can be notified like standard with sound vibration notification screen, or only silent. Then it will be only notification screen only, then no notification. So you can do this one. Once you continue this one, then it will go to the broadcasting. I hope I'm not past Jakub.
No, no, it's fine. I'm noting all the questions meanwhile.
Okay. Okay. So tools. So tools are some of the growth tools, some of the additional features that that will give in SilferBot platform. Triggers and actions. So this is the with this you can do lot many things, triggers and actions, because it's kind of a Zapier inside the in our platform. Suppose if a user tagged with this tag, do something, or user have this customer field, do this one. So let me show you one rules. So demo. So trigger. So have a lot of triggers here. So tag applied, tag removed, subscribe to sequence, unsubscribe to sequence, custom field value change, new subscriber. So this is custom field value. We have seen the trend that, okay, whenever we ask them email ID, I mean, if in case we want ask, then there is a change of the email ID. Then we use this one to know that, okay, whether they changed email ID or not, or something like that. New order, order concluded, order cancelled, live chat enabled, disabled. Okay, so this is the user referred. This is something new that we wanted to get in. User referred to new user. The referral thing inside the bot, it can be done. If user referred to a new user, then what is the action that you want to do? So you can able to do it. So then if user unsubscribed from bot, user referred to existing user, then what need to be done? So this is so powerful because you can do lot many things based on certain actions. So you need to trigger certain things. So only imagination, I mean, is unlimited here. So whatever you want to do, things that you can try to do in this trigger sense action. Then, okay, so I have this tool little search bar. Suppose if you want to directly go, you can just go here and you can go to it goes to the tools, and you want to see, you can able to directly jump in with the search bar. Then I have sequence. So sequence of messages are something that drip system or nurturing things that we can do. Suppose if I want to have people to be notified maybe second day, third day, fourth day, then these sequences can be used. So we can do that. Okay, so demo flow can be sent on this after 1 hour, after like this many days or these things. Then do this, send this flow maybe after 4 hours. Then like, so you can do sequencing things. God knows what will happen after January 15th, because since we can't able to do it 24 bar plus one, probably we need to come, I mean, come up with new things to activate user. So definitely still we can able to use
What is happening on January 15th?
January 15th. So the 24 plus one policy is gonna take away. Let me tell people who don't know about a 24 plus one policy, a Facebook policy. So basically, the moment someone subscribed or someone who interacted our bot, we have a 24 hours window to promote. If you want to do promotion or if you want to send information, it can be anything in that 24 window. As of now, the 24 one plus mean after 24 hours you can able to send one promotion message after 24 hours, meaning that, okay, like it kind of a follow-up promotion thing, just like that. So after January 15th, so they would be only 24 hour promotion. There is no plus one. So that's the thing. The plus one, the after 24 hours, whatever that you need to send the promotion, which you can not able to do after January 15th.
I see. Okay.
Yeah. Then we have Facebook comment. So this is the comment to messenger thing. Okay, suppose if I want to add particular post, or if I want to have complete, like track comments on all posts. So irrespective whatever the post, if that is there is a comment on that, sorry, then that will be tracked, and that it will be triggered. So track comments on all posts, reply to all comments. Or if you want to comment matching, so suppose you posted related to the product, if someone asks only price, then you trigger this one. Or doesn't matter whatever the post it is, then you can able to do. So you can either send that particular product, or you can send particular flow once, like whatever the flow we created. Or you can send just plain text. Then you can send events, you can send elections or nothing but polls, news, then vendors. So vendors are multiple products, so you can able to send them. So or if you want to have particular specific post, so once I click on specific post, then it will get me all the list of posts. Then I can select them. Then I can say all comments or comments matching to that rules. Then again, comments that contains this one, comments that equal to something. So you got many options here, and there are more options here. Exclude comments with this keyword. Suppose if you feel like that these are the things frequently come in that are no more important for them to send this messenger notification. So you have furthermore advanced option, don't reply to user that is already a bot user. Reply only once for user. So if you want to replay them again and again, you can enable this, or it is only one time, you can do this one. Check the training phrases registered in the setup AI. So because if the phrase which they have commented in the Facebook post is matches to the setup AI, then you need to do certain other level things. Then reply to the user who was already commented in other post. So like maybe we can say that this probably the people who are like ambassadors of our brand, or probably the loyal people, then these are the people who are committed. Then we can check this one, then reply to the user who was already, if they are committed in the other post, then you can able to do. So don't reply to replace to comment. So suppose it's like a second level of comment. If someone say price, maybe someone says this is this many dollars, this is a second level, that is reply to replay. So then you can able to still, if you want to send that reply to replay, you can check this one. If you don't want to send, then you can I mean they can check this one so that it will not send.
That's an amazing walkthrough. Thank you.
Thank you. So QR code. This is one of the best thing for offline thing. So offline store. So that's where they can able to acquire the customer. So this is the reference ID. I can say demo reference, then generate. So then I will have this reference ID, and then I can download and I can place it into store, or maybe on your business card, maybe in your blog. You can think of anywhere that QR code can go. Then with this reference ID, then it will go there. Then that's how we can able to acquire your customer. Then we have customer chat plugin. So if you go to any website, you can see that the Facebook chat plugin. If you want to enable this one, you can click on there and you can enable them. Then ref parameter. So ref parameter is the URL like m.me URL, and along with that, okay, if you want to add any particular ref, maybe for your promotion, maybe for your demo day, or anything like that, you can add ref parameter here. That way you can able to track in the dashboard, which I show you total session by that ref parameter, or you can able to see that, okay, where exactly the user come in. Then we have newspaper. So newspaper are something like that, maybe if you want to have maybe like kind of a subscription news, or ads categories news. Suppose if I want to add news channel, uh, let me see that if I can able to get something. HTTPS PitchGround, sorry, .com. Sorry guys, I'm trying first time. Let's see whether I can able to get something here. Then image URL. Okay, I'll put something here. Then I'll say save this. Okay. Oops, I think something I did wrong. Probably maybe my team can able to help you on how this news works. Okay, so moving on to the other things. Then polls. So suppose if you want to create a feedback poll, or maybe a feature post or something, then you can go here, you can create. So name of the poll, what is the start of day of the poll, end day of the poll. Then this is the options that you want to have, probably which is the best deal site. maybe anything that you can think of. Then you can add name, you can add the image URL here, then put the description, another name. If you want to add more options, you can start adding more option. Again, more options, you can give them default ranking, like if you have multiple polls, then you can do so. Then what is the float to send user after user has voted? So once user has voted, probably we need to give a feedback for them based on the vote, then you can able to send them. Then description. So you got many things that you can able to do here with these polls. Then we have events. So you can create events inside the messenger. Suppose probably every day event what is happening now, we can create those event and we can trigger them, those event. Maybe it can be used for a notification, sorry, used for notification, where you can have title, place, price. If it is a paid one, what is the image URL, and then what is the date, and you have again more information, you add URL, description, category, subcategory, all those things that you can able to do it. Okay, so now we have create templates. So this is the where if you want to create templates, so we can create templates. I can add template here. Let me say demo. Let me try this. So this is a demo image URL, then publisher name. It's me, Vijay. Sorry. Then template. So whether I want to set template, so settings, general settings, bot percentage menu. So whatever the options which I check, those things can be able to send them. And you can see that, okay, some of our competitor, which they can't able to say, send the even custom field tags, all those things, but with this our platform, we can able to send those things. So you can send the flow, you can tags also, you can send training phrases, you can send custom field. So Zapier events, triggers and actions, sequences. This is so powerful. Okay, some of the other competitor does not have custom field tags to be exported and then imported. Then again, we need to add those tags. Then by chance that those custom field, if we renamed the custom field wrongly, then our template gonna not work. So this with this you can able to do the most of the things. Then this template which we are going to use in our marketplace going forward, once we enable for agency, they can add, I mean, basically the idea is here to sell the template in our marketplace. Suppose if they think that they built best template here for any particular niche, they can create here, and then they can provide description, they can provide YouTube video ID, uh, then test URL, where they can test here, where they can see the video of that particular template, so that once it is being published in our marketplace, then they can able to see the template, all this description. And if people are it might be a free or it might be a paid one. So although we have a limitation in the marketplace, but the down the line that we gonna get it, so that freelancer agency people can able to even able to sell their product directly here. And one more thing that I want to show is here, for especially agency people, anyone that they want to protect their template. So here we have an option whether to view or edit. If you uncheck that, okay, they can't this is they will export only template, but they will not have option to edit this one. So this is where that they can protect their the templates. Then sorry, I want to go for tools. So we okay created templates, upload images. Since you most of the time you might be seeing that, okay, it is asking image URL. So you can able to add image whichever you want to add in our flow, or maybe in your template, sorry, maybe in polls or events in newspaper, maybe in some of the other options that you see there. Okay, add URL, you can upload the images here and get that URL, and that URL can be added there. Then stickers, this is something very unique about our platform. So suppose someone replace with the sticker. Suppose if someone reply with this sticker and I want to replace something. Okay, so maybe even I can send the flow also. I can want to send, if someone say that, okay, this is smiley, then maybe I can say that thank you. Or if I want to send them particular flow, I can do it. So this is the one thing that we have here. So you got a lot many stickers, whatever the Facebook that is right now available. So you got many things to make your customer happy once they added any of the stickers. Then we have persona. So personas are nothing but uh, if you can see, right? Okay, so although this is Jasper Market, where the logo of whatever the logo or a photo which has been added by the page.
Mm-hmm.
But if you see here, but still this is different. The persona is, suppose it might be while using live chat that you want to use your live chat person. Probably in a Christmas day, maybe your logo want to have the Santa maybe a hat or something, that on that day maybe you can able to do it without changing the logo. So you can create multiple personas here, the name and then image, so that that image will be appearing here. And there are much more things can be added with these personas. Then okay, so now import user. So suppose if you want to import from other platform like ManyChat, Chatfuel, Mobile Monkey, or any other platform that you use, usually there will be an option to export to PSIDs of that particular your subscriber. So once you export them and you can come here and then click on this import thing. Then it will ask your CSV file. So you can select that US file, your CSV file, and then upload. So then all the people which are there in other platform, ManyChat, Chatful, Mobile Monkey, other platform will be imported into this one, so that easy transition will happen to our platform. Yes, so done with tools. Now we are moving on to the settings. So settings are this messenger page settings. So this the overall settings of this thing. This is the welcome message. So we can define any particular flow. What is the welcome message that they want to come? Then define default reply, default reply 2, default reply 3. These are the options provided by the Facebook. We should have default reply 3. Maybe you can use same thing, or if you want different, you can able to do so, but this is the option that we need to follow. Then afterwards we have supported language. Suppose if you are multilingual bot, then you can able to select them. Then maximum day in live chat. So this is the day. So suppose some user come on maybe like they seeked for talk to human, or like live chat or something like that. So till 3 days they are active. So what will happen till 3 days? None of the triggers will happen, because since they are in a live chat, then the 3 days the triggers will stop. So that's why you can like after 3 days, then because you don't want to keep them like ever. So maybe you can create something, maybe after one day move people who are in live chat to direct back, so that whatever the triggers you have, that can be happen here. Then bot profile, as I said, okay, suppose if we create multiple bot profile, then we can select here and then start doing it. Then greetings, the greeting is the people see welcome message. This is the welcome message. The moment someone come first time, they can able to see the greetings. Probably you can add any clickbait or any information or your vision of your company, anything that they can see. This is the icebreaker, which is very recent update by Facebook. Usually you might be seeing any a new bot, when you subscribe, they see get started by default. So the icebreaker is something now you can able to get started. Maybe you can say that, okay, maybe if you want to have the Black Friday deal, or maybe something like, okay, hooray, or something like that, whichever you want to do it. So it is like more of the people which you want to get it to your this thing. So that is the icebreaker. Then bot persistent menu. The bot persistent menu is that whatever the menu you want to create in the menu on your bot. Then development mode. Once this development mode is enabled, only admin people will able to get, I mean, they can able to preview or they can able to trigger. In this development mode, all your subscriber will be not have any, I mean, any kind of triggers, sequences will not work in the development mode. Then reconnect bot. So sometimes, okay, it happens, okay, it may disconnect, or maybe some reason it's just like a refresh button in a Windows PC something. If something that you feel like it's not right, maybe you can come and reconnect, and things should work on this one. And suppose if you don't want to have this a bot for your page, you can delete here. Then admins. So suppose if you want to add admin, so once you click on this admin, then let me show you the process. This is a little more a couple of more steps here. If I want to add button, then it will create me one URL. Then I need to copy this one and I need to provide to them. So for example, if I want to add Aquob as admin, and then I can copy and I can maybe send to email or in Messenger or WhatsApp. Then Jacob will accept my admin request. Once Jacob accept here, again I need to give the permission that okay, Jacob is the admin. So this is the couple of steps here. Uh, that if you want to add bot admins, and you can able to see what is the other permission, bot admins full permission, like partial permission, no permission, full permission. So maybe you can able to do it. Maybe if someone want to change the settings, broadcast flows, train, depending upon a user, you can able to see this one. Then we have integration. So you can API access, where you can generate your token code for Zapier integration, then Mailchimp integration, ActiveCampaign integration, Moosend integration, then TrueMail integration. So any of this integration that you want to do, so you can have their URL API key, or some of them only need API key. Then you can able to add this one, then your integration can be done. So this is about setting. This is a free templates. Free templates will go to the marketplace. It will take to the link. So yet you can have templates. So for example, you can see that e-commerce, we have English, French, Dutch, Romania, then Spanish, Netherlands, Portuguese, Italiano. Then it's a gym by build one of our earlier beta tester. Then hotel, bot agency, then beauty and hair salon. Then not only templates, even particular flow. For example, if you want to have A/B testing, maybe something that this flow is, this A/B testing is good or something, then they can have this one. There are a lot of flows that can be copied into their bot. Okay, so I think the overview is done. Jakob, do you think we need to take a questions first, or like jump onto the flows, how to create a bot? What do you think? What do you suggest?
I think we can answer a couple of questions.
Okay.
And then we'll jump into building flows.
Sure.
So I'm thinking whether we should answer again the questions we actually answered yesterday for people who joined for first time, or we'll start with the new questions.
So, like, do we have more questions today? So based on that, we can take it.
We do have quite a lot of questions.
Okay, so then maybe what I would suggest, since we have a lot many questions for today Q&A, maybe we can take first. If still we have a time, then we can jump onto the yesterday Q&A also. So whatever you feel good to people.
All right, let me share my screen. Do you see my screen now?
Yes.
Perfect. Does it have pre-made chatbot scripts like e-commerce funnel script or ebook selling and others?
Yes, we have a templates. So as I showed you that, okay, we have a few e-commerce templates in different language. You can start adding those, and then you can use it. And like e-commerce funnel script, ebook selling, others. Yes, I mean, yeah, templates is something that we are creating. Weekly basis. Again, it depends on which is the niche which has more importance. We are trying to create them, and we want to put. It will take a lot of. I mean, it will take a time for us to creating templates. Yeah, but definitely we can do this kind of things also.
Okay. Is it possible to send automatic Facebook messages to those users who have bought a product on WooCommerce on the website with details about their purchase, and then follow up with them with instructions on how to use the product? I
Is
think
it
let's answer
possible
this one
to
first.
is it possible to send automatic Facebook Messenger to the user who have bought product WooCommerce on the website with the details about their purchase and then follow up? Okay, so see, especially with the e-commerce right now, what is happening is that you need to, I mean, whatever the notification that you want to send, okay, you need to take their permission. Without their permission, you can't able to do it. So maybe some point, okay, like for example, if they have selected particular point which we are upcoming checkbox where it will have the option to get a notification in subscriber. So just in the add to cart button in the WooCommerce website, there on top of it there will be a check button like to get the notification subscriber. If they checked, then you can able to do so, because without we are getting any sort of permission from the user, we don't have any control on that. So that's why you can able to do it. Also, can different messages to be sent based on the product purchase? Yes. So we have a lot of conditions, things are there. So you can choose this product is purchased, and you can send them to different flow or a different information. Yes, it is possible.
Amazing. I see on my phone that some notifications that people are already buying SilferBots. So guys, keep it coming. If you have any questions, if you're
Impressive.
still on the fence, just ask us right now and we'll be answering them. Can founder comment on SilferBots versus chatbotize, which is a lifetime deal somewhere else?
I mean, to be frank, I can't comment on something which I don't know. So, I mean,
Okay.
so I don't. I mean, to be frank, I did not see in that chatbot is this thing, or else I would have been given some idea on that. I did not see.
All right. PayPal Stripe native integration.
Yeah, Stripe native integration is already there. Since we did not cover e-commerce module, there is a because there is a settings exclusive for e-commerce. There already Stripe native integration is there. PayPal is on our roadmap, which we are planning to get it soon.
I don't use WooCommerce and Shopify. Is there a way to set SilferBots up to track my own domain e-commerce shop, like placing a code on the site?
Right now we don't have, because like each e-commerce website, I mean, because WooCommerce, Shopify, why we taken that, because there is some standards across the Shopify platform, so where we can able to consume those things and we can able to do it. But in customized e-commerce, it is very difficult us to take them. The other solution is that maybe we have something planned that we will provide you Excel with the CSV. Maybe you can add the name, product, link of that image, then the tracking, I mean the number, the different options. Then that CSV can be imported to our site. That way you can able to do it if it is a customized shopping e-commerce shop. I would like to
Yeah,
I
that's
would like my
basically the
bot to do
clarification of the use case.
I would like my bot to do auto sending message to cart abandonment, follow up message for approval. Yes, yes, this is more of e-commerce. Yes, we have cart abandonment notification. You can choose maybe after 1 hour or like whatever the timing that this is comfortable for you. You can do so. Yes, we have this option.
But it's for WooCommerce and Shopify, right? For custom domain, it's not possible.
Sorry.
It's only for WooCommerce and Shopify, right? For custom
Anything
domain,
inside. See, so if they don't have WooCommerce and Shopify, but if they imported via CSV, and then they have because even if they don't have WooCommerce, Shopify, users, I mean customers or clients can create their own product in our e-commerce. So need not to do have a WooCommerce or Shopify. They can do order management in our platform. They can add multiple products. They can add multiple vendors. They can create coupon system. So a lot of things can be done in our platform itself. So in that case, even anything that inside our platform, then they can send a cart abandonment. It is for Messenger only.
Okay. Sometime Facebook blocked a few messages or URLs. How would handle this situation?
Follow the rules. Simple. Yes.
And that is for purchase made directly on website and not just via Facebook Messenger.
And
This
is
is actually out of
the
context. I think it was elaboration of a previous question, maybe one of the previous
One
questions.
second. I think if I understood rightly, that is the for purchase made directly on website or just via messenger. Yeah, I think somewhere the pretext is to be there, I guess. So yeah, I think without that, it's very difficult for us to answer. Yeah.
I think we can answer it anyway, or with some angle. I mean, if you have a Stripe, you can sell products directly in Messenger, meaning that people don't have to go to your website, and they will do
Yes.
the whole transaction in a Messenger. If you don't have Stripe, well, you can just send them to your website, right, to finish the purchase there, right?
See, right now we have a Stripe native integration. The idea is that SilferBot is created. We want to have complete customer journey inside the bot. So if they have the Stripe integration, the purchase, everything happens inside. Even once they add the card details, everything details, and then once submit payment successful, then bot will be in that side. Then they will get thank you message. Everything happens in the messenger.
I see. Okay. Can this bot run a loyalty program? Users scan QR code, get a stamp. For example, scan 5 times, 5 stamps, and finally redeem a reward.
Yes, as I showed you triggers and action, we have something called user refer something. Yes, I think this is possible, but I'm just thinking how this can be done. Okay, probably once someone scan that code, maybe we can trigger them saying that okay, first time he scanned, then other time same ref code if he scanned, maybe we can trigger second time. Just like even math is possible inside our platform, then they can add that custom field 1 to 2 3 4 5. Once 5 is done, once the custom field reach to 5, then you can send a offer code to them. So it is
Yeah, and
possible.
I think if you can do it directly using SilferBots, you can always use like Zapier integration, right? That you will, for example, when somebody scans a code, it will create a new line in a Google Sheet or something, and then it will be just communicating between.
No, I think, see, they can, the idea SilferBot comes in is to avoid Zapier. Okay. So, because you need to have additional subscription cost. So, I mean, this, I think strongly believe, I mean, although I can't, but I will definitely take this one. Maybe I can tell my developers to create a template like this and I can share, because it's very simple. So what it is saying that scan 5 times, 5 stamps, and finally redeem the provide. Once someone scan that QR code, in the custom field we can add as the maybe like a stamp as a custom field. The first time he scanned, it will check the custom field, it is 0 by default, then it can add 1. So again the scan happens another time, then it will take custom field, then it will add another 1. So what will happen, custom field will be incremented to. So that what like once the custom field has incremented to 5, we can trigger, because in triggers and actions we can say that okay, if custom field is something, then you trigger. Probably the trigger can be a reward point.
I see. All right. Can we import chat flows from ManyChat? If so, can we see a demo?
No, we can't import flows.
Right. Because I think we were talking about this yesterday, and you said that you can do it like with 2 clicks or something. Was it something else?
No, it is was a people who are subscribers, like
I
my
see. All
subscriber,
right.
like
So yes. So sorry, I gave the user a wrong answer then. So you can with 2 clicks import users from other platforms, right? Like
yes,
ManyChat and so on, but
yeah,
not
because
whole flows.
yes, because flows, the way they have the architecture there would be different from ours architecture. So we don't have any interpolability things. Yeah.
With agency, each sub account have their own Stripe and MailChimp accounts.
Yes. So it just like agency is a user. For example, Yakub is a do not bot agency owner. So if we take agency, he can create 10 bots. So that's it. So 10 bots is nothing but 10 pages. So then 10 different pages means altogether different accounts. So you can they can have their own Stripe, their own MailChimp account. Yes, it's like that.
Export to Google Sheet, import RSS news without Zapier integration is available.
Yes, something that I tried here on the news thing. I mean, while I was my technical team showing that, okay, it worked for me. I don't know somehow, I don't know how, why did not the RSS worked. We definitely I can come with, or maybe I can tell my team to share these details on that one. Export to Google Sheet. It's our, if you see our roadmap, it's in progress right now. The recent update what I got yesterday, that okay, so we are testing it, meaning that okay, uh, we are testing internally. Very soon we will push this into the production.
Mhm.
Yeah, yes, without Zapier integration.
Okay. How you will handle per month costs after LTD promotion and a business plan in your mind? I bought one LTD, now they run away and no reply, etc.
Okay, so
Good question, by the way.
it's true. I appreciate that one. If you see today, I posted in the welcome message myself to the PitchGround. Okay, I told we are backed with some of the angel investors. So today, even today, if something we are not generating zero, we will assume that one. We have next 2 years of budget. Okay, so to maintain my team. So definitely. And what are the other things that we want to do it? See, whatever we through this LTD, there are two or three things will happen for us. One, yes, we will get certain money just like any other LTD. Second thing, we get a lot of user feedback. The question and answers will gives us a lot of feedback. Yesterday, when we are going through the questions, a lot of things we are added in our roadmap. Okay, because these are the user things which are needed. Because we can't assume ourselves, okay, what are the things needed or not. So second, we will get a feedback. Then we want to use in a real scenario. Although we have a beta tester, although I have as an agency I have a clients, but I want to have this has to be used to many of the bot agency to sell this product on a day one. Okay, that's where okay these three things can happen this one. And after this LTD, all these things will go to a development thing where we want to improve our product much and more. Then once we're done with the LTD, we want to go for a monthly recurring revenue MRR model.
Mhm.
So definitely we will have our revenue for that one. Yeah, like yeah, we are optimistic about this MRR definitely
Mhm.
because our platform has many potential to go on to that model. One example is Zapier, because if you are lucky, in 2003 Zapier came with the LTD. Now you can see that the people they are minting like anything. Although now Sync Spider is a competitor for them.
It is.
So
This
yes, we are
huge
going on to
competitor.
yes. So we are going to MRR model. So definitely our SilferBot will be there.
Mhm. Does the agency plan include unlimited fan pages?
No, 10 pages.
Okay.
No, but they are getting good deal. Okay, 214 240 or for 9 for $245. Each page bot they are getting for a lifetime for approximately $25. And Jacob, you know how much we charge in a marketing agency.
Oh yeah.
So $25 per lifetime. Oh my God, this is a crazy deal I can ever could imagine.
It is. It is crazy. Like for agency, you can easily charge like a lot.
Yes, yes.
Can you offer white label domain logo, etc. for agency licenses? Because that feature is a must for us.
Yes, unfortunately, due to technical thing, Facebook does not allow to do the white label, because what will happen, even though we can do logo, like even with the URL, we can do UI things, everything. But once user register to our platform, because it will happen on a Facebook app which we registered. So SilferBot will be there in their messenger. If any smart client can go to their messenger setting, then they can able to see SilferBot. So there is no white label solution that can we bring in. So that's a technical challenge which we can't able to.
Mhm. Man, this platform is so powerful. I've used a lot of chatbot platforms, but this one includes features I've never seen before. It's not a question, but I
Awesome.
decided to put it in here.
Awesome. Thank you.
Okay, okay, okay. Can I use one license for more than one domain?
So basically one license is for one Facebook page. So it's now you need to plan how you want it.
Yes. And it's, I assume, active, right? So I can always like
Yes.
disconnect it. Okay.
Yes. Yes.
unlimited usage, unlimited contacts, and unlimited conversations for personal use. I don't get this question. Do you get this question?
Okay, so what about the clients? Maybe if it is agency, what will happen to my clients? As I said, agency is very simple. You get 10 accounts. In personal account, you get one account. Means one account is nothing but one messenger bot or one Facebook page where you can connect. With agency, you like you have 10 accounts. Maybe you can use it for yourself, maybe for your client. So again, those are different account. So whatever you get in personal account will get same thing to the client accounts.
Mm-hmm. How it will handle following bot?
So
what is following bot?
Maybe if someone can give some
yeah, give us
input.
some hints, guys, in the chat, because I don't know what is following bot. Oh man, I'm really tired today because this is the following bot. It's a question from Muhammad. So do you see it, or should I zoom it?
Yeah, I can see it. Yes.
So Muhammad, right now you're getting answer from a chatbot expert.
So I'm seeing something here. What exactly happening here?
You don't?
Is Mohammed is sharing some inputs or something?
I have no idea. This is the only screenshot.
Okay.
We got. Okay, I think I will connect you with Muhammad, and maybe you can talk.
Yes, Mohammed. Maybe maybe my team can help you, or maybe after this webinar, and then I'll just personally follow up with you, or my team will reach you on find out what is that. Okay.
All right. Live translate option available.
Although we tried it, so something that we are underworking as of now. No.
Please create the deal for unlimited sub account. It's Cyber Monday.
I wish, like, some of the people asked, okay, how we gonna survive after this? If we can give unlimited sub accounts, then definitely I think we will falter somewhere, maybe after 3 months, 6 months, because unlimited is like here 10 accounts are not as sub accounts, it's fully fledged accounts. For 99 you get one personal account, for agency you get 10 accounts. So there is nothing called as a sub account or something like that. It's full accounts of 10 you will get it. So definitely it would be not possible for us, and if we give that one, I don't think so we would be able to survive.
Any plans to integrate with Platformly, or just?
Yes, if we get more people asking for us, we can think of in our roadmap, because we have some other priority things there. But definitely, if more people are coming up with this thing, definitely we can add in our roadmap. My tech team are very powerful. They can do anything. If only thing is the end product, whichever you are saying, they should have open API.
Can you please fully explain the agency plan? Is there a limit to the number of Facebook pages we can use? Is there a limit on the number of bots we can create? Just want to make sure I understand what is unlimited exactly. Thank you.
Okay, see, let me take $99 plan. What you see is a one account.
Hold on, I will open it here.
Yes.
It's going to be better. Come on.
That happens. I know that whenever I want showing demo something to my client, then it does not work.
All right.
Okay,
so this plan. Yeah, it's me.
Okay, so $99 per lifetime. Okay, you get unlimited usage, unlimited contacts, unlimited conversion for personal use. So what does this mean? That, okay, assume that you got one business, you created one Facebook page. So because messenger bot can be created only if you have a Facebook page. Okay, because as I showed in the walkthrough, that okay, you will connect with that page, then you can able to create. So one personal use is nothing but one Facebook page where you can create one bot is nothing but you can create multiple bot inside, because through ref URL, through chat plugin, again all this can be redirected. You can create inside many multiple things. But whatever the use, for example, if SilferBot is my Facebook page, I can create for that only. So that's one, and you can create inside unlimited bots for that. When it comes to agency, you can connect like my page, maybe for your client page or client businesses. You can create like 10 accounts. So if I log in right now, when I showed you, I had like few, like 6 to 7 accounts. So each are individual accounts. So again, individual accounts will have same thing: unlimited usage, unlimited subscriber, unlimited bots creation. It's a individual accounts. So that particular business can do just like a personal account. Hope I clarified or confused.
I hope that you clarified. So you answered everything out of this.
Yes. Is there any limit on number of bots we can create? See, inside the bot is nothing but the flow, how many we can create. Suppose I can create unlimited flows here, and then through my ref URL, I can redirect to different things.
Yeah.
People who scan the QR code, then I want to send to flow, and flow is the bot. And people who has used my m.me link, then there is other bot. People who used chat plugin, then other bot. So you can create number of flows are nothing but bots. Then again, you can connect them through different growth tools. Yes.
Okay, let me check if we have some question here on Restream. Oh, yeah, we answered this one. What is this? From Eric. Question from Eric. So you mentioned that it's for e-commerce sites. Would it still be useful for even events focused websites?
Yes. Yes, definitely it can be used. So instead of like, see, events is like where maybe you want to get registration or something like that. Maybe you can yeah, just like in our flow, you can create with the different galleries, cards, and you can create able to events. So anything that is possible, yes, in our platform it is possible.
Question from Fred. How much it will cost to get additional agency accounts?
We did not thought of having additional things. Suppose if you want to buy, maybe you can buy maybe 249, 245, 249. What is that? 249, 45? I forgot.
245, yeah.
Okay, 245. Maybe you can buy them, and you can send to support at the SilferBot. Probably we can add you 20 accounts in your login. So basically, if I'm a agency owner, under my name, I can create 10 accounts. So if you add, if you buy another 245 thing, then you can send the support email, and my team can able to create that. Okay, with your login, you can able to create 20. So we can do that. Yeah.
Does all the chat comes under one inbox or multiple inboxes in agency account?
No, because as I said, okay, it's all the accounts are connected to the each business pages. So definitely their business pages will have their own chat. It will be not a single inbox. It would be individual.
Okay, question from anonymous attendee. Can I change Facebook page associated with the bot at a later point in time?
Yes, at any point you can have one Facebook page active.
Perfect. Okay, so I'll stop sharing screen. I will check if there are some more questions. And meanwhile, please, Vijay, show us how we can create our flows.
Yes.
Guys, keep the questions coming. I'm noting them all. I'm seeing them all. And,
okay, let me share my screen. So the first thing is the whatever you can call them as a flow, you can create bots or something like that. So let me go to the flow. So we take a simple example here. Okay, so now someone who comes to the business, we want to collect their maybe email ID and then phone number, and probably we need to send to website, or I just take some random thing. Okay, let me click here. Maybe I can say lead generation. So someone comes to my bot, although like the initial any user comes here, as I showed in the setting, there will be greeting and there will be icebreaker, which is the first point of screen that they can see it. Once they see it, and then that will come to the flow here. So let me welcome them with their name, because Facebook, as I said, Facebook will provide first name, last name, the locale, time zone, some of the information. And these are some of the custom fields which I created. So I want to greet them. I want to show that, okay, so like typing, just show typing things. Probably I want to use my business image, something like that. Let me see if I have some image, SFP thumbnail. What is this? Yes. Okay. So this is the image that I want to show. Probably I can give some call to action. So call to actions are, I can send a message. Send a message is nothing but another message that will get created here. Or if I want to open website, I can click here and then I can say that, okay, it's if I want to send them to particular website, let me say silferbots.com. Then messenger browser size, we can able to do it. Or if you want to add particular action, like someone after this action, suppose if I say go to website, then I can do certain action here. Maybe I want to tag them as a maybe as website clicked or something like here. Then if I want to add multiple actions, I can do it. I will save this one. If I want to have another button, I can add here. And card is same variant of this one, but you get like title, subtitle information where you can able to add it here. Let me add that also to show. So I'll just add this delay, then I will add this card. Then I will say Silver Bots subtitle, the complete messenger marketing platform. URL is https sfp.im. Maybe if I want to add again, I can get this option. I can give them call number option or start another flow. If we created another flow outside of this one, I can do it. Select existing. If we have created any existing here, then we can do it. So that we can do here. Then gallery. Gallery are nothing but if you want to have multiple things. If you want a carousel effect that you can add here, then so let me add that also. Open title SFP1. If I want to add another one, SFP2, another one.
What bot you are creating right now?
Basically, it's like a kind of a introducing about. Basically, we want to collect the email ID and phone number, lead generation.
All right.
And I want to show all the other blocks is available here. So this thing, okay, so now if you want to add video, if you click that video, you can add this again. It will take me some options here where if I want to add anything here, I can able to add here. uh, then okay, so let me preview this first. If I go here, you can see I Vijay Kumar. Then this is the first gallery which we added, and we had a go to website button created. Then you can see that this is the card one, and this is carousel which we created. You can see SFB1, SFB2. Then now we want to ask, probably it might be offering or something like that. Maybe now we want to ask them their email ID. I'll click here. What is your best email ID? So this is the input. If I click them, I need to select email. Then I can say, I can assign that to particular custom field. If I want to create custom field, I can create here. If I click here, I will get here. Suppose if I want to have an email ID one, the description, this is email, alternate email, then I'll say create this one. Then I can select email. What you have entered is not valid email. Please try again. We can have the skip button, like if you want. So then continue this one. Then I will add 2 more delay. Then I want to have phone number. Please enter your phone number. Then I will add here. Then I will say this is a phone. Then I will say this is for phone. Then I'll continue. Then yeah, so this is the basic thing where we are like able to get their phone number and email ID. So let me preview this one. If I go here, so you can see
I
that.
like a messenger. It looks that you are talking only to bots. Do you have friends, Vijay?
Yes, I do. No, because like as I said, I'm an agency owner, messenger market agency. All the time when I talk with the client, I'll talk like this, as if that I am talking to this one. So yes, so please enter phone number. So you can see that, okay, I collected this phone number. I have like this phone number. So this is where the lead generation. So this is the basic use case that we created now. Like suppose if we want to add them some tags here, like I can create. So I want to add this tag. So maybe I can say this is a lead because I got their email ID and phone number. I can say that this is a lead. Then maybe I can set some custom field or enable live chat or anything, notified bin. Or suppose if I want to have a subscriber to send for any of this subscriber, if I click on this one, then yeah, I think we need to have that API created at the back end. Once we create, then we will get the subscriber list, and then we select that which subscriber list then we want to add. Then we can able to send that information there. Then yes, as I said, that so many options are here. This is the one thing that you can able to it's like you tell me any business logic that need to be built, we can start building all those things in our thing. So as I said, okay, suppose if once we have this condition, for example, uh, maybe once we got the thing, assume that we are a lead. Maybe we want to send to another flow. The another flow is for a created for a lead generation. Maybe like a lead generation, what we create, maybe we want to send them to demo. Then we can send them to the demo. Suppose if I want to add condition, the condition is if tag equal to lead, then I want to what is the next step that he can take. I can select start another flow, that is demo bot. Then if lead does not matches here, then I can send them to maybe other flow. Like I can say I can send to the test bot. So this is the use case here. So this where you can able to see that, okay, so once user comes into the condition, then this is where condition will happens. And condition number one. So this will check the condition, and based on condition, it will changes the user. And anything that particular people wanted to ask me, so that I can able to create here, pretty straightforward. Now you just imagine your business logic. maybe make some maybe in paper or in the board. You just do your logics, like once user comes, what information that I need to give them, then what are the options that I want to give them, then once they choose certain action, whether is it a lead or is it a non-lead or is it a customer, then what I need to do through my conditions, and with actions I can have multiple information here. So it's all pretty simple. All those things are self-explanatory. Then we have a knowledge base where they can go to see that, okay, what exactly these things can be done. So that's how you can able to create complete business customer journey here.
Mm-hmm.
So this is about this flow builder. This is so powerful. So you can able to transform your complete customer journey here.
Okay.
Okay, so the other one which is left out is the AI thing. So the customer support. Okay, let me show you that here, AI. So here, let me ask. I mean, anyway, we created first what? Oh, sorry. What is the this one? Who is Jakub? Let's see. Who is Jakub?
What is Jakub?
What is Jakub? Jakub is a growth hacker. Okay, so suppose if your business has something that maybe frequently asked question, maybe something that you feel like you are maybe for a customer support you want to add, you can able to add here. So let me add this one. Before let me adding this here, let me tell you something here. So I'll say who is Vijay. So by my bot did not answer, so because we did not train it this thing. So now where we can go here, before I can train here, because I want to go to dashboard. And if I can see here, you could see that user message recognized by AI, not recognized by AI. So when I go to full report, you can see that, okay, hi, who's Jacob? So this is the user with no response, because this was the first time when we created in the demo thing, then it did not answer it. Then we created it. Then this is two times because I showed you previously. Now I'm showing you. So that's why it's answered. The most unanswered training, because we use this training phase. So we know that this has been this one. So now who is Vijay? If you can see here, it has been not trained. So now I can go here. These are the things which are not responded by our AI. So now we need to train this one. Maybe we can go here. I can say who is Vijay. So I have let me show you Vijay. So who is Vijay? Either I can replay that one. Vijay is co-founder of SilferBots. Okay. This is the answer, that if it is a text one. Suppose if I want to send particular flow, if we created, then we can select this one and then we can add particular, like maybe lead gen demo, whichever we created. Since I want to have, this is the information which is sufficient. Suppose if I want to add more training phrases, then sorry, if I want to add more this thing, Vijay, sorry, SilferBot has LTD in PG. This is the word that I wanted to give this one. I can do so. Then let me save this one. So now I will ask same thing. Who is Vijay? You can see Vijay is a co-founder of SilferBots. SilferBots has LTD in PG. So that's why now we trained our bot. So this is the one use case like this. The customer support over a period of time can become perfect, meaning that, okay, the accuracy of your bot gonna increasing day by day. So you need to train them, then it will get trained. So there is something called a keyword. So suppose what is this keyword? Let me show you the keyword. Now we are running LTD in PitchGround. Suppose I'm running, suppose what is the price of LTD? Okay, so what is the price of LTD? Then I say this contains keyword. Keywords are nothing but, okay, which we feel like those are the important things which may get more frequently. LTD can be a keyword, price may be a keyword. Okay, then what I can do is LTD is $99. Okay, I will save this one. Now I will create a keyword, because since I told that, okay, it has a keyword in that one. So I will go to keyword. I will say that keyword LTD, sorry, or this variation is lifetime deal. Lifetime, maybe I can say lifetime deal. So these are one and the same. Okay, so this is the variant that I am adding. If I want to have more variant, I can add here. Then another keyword that I can think is a price. Maybe price can be told what is the amount, or what is
Cost,
the dollar
pricing.
cost, or whatever. So now price, I will add here cost. So now we added this keyword variation. Now Now I will go here. What is the price of the LTD? So I will not ask like that. Sorry, did I share stopping my screen?
Yes, you have. Why?
Okay. I think I jumped onto the other screen. So now I say that, okay, uh, if I ask what is
You're
the
still not sharing your
cost?
screen, by the way.
Oh, is it? Okay.
I
Okay.
mean, we can see
So
some reflection in your glasses, but I think it's not enough.
okay, so now I'm typing what is the, because we added what is the price of LTD. So that this is a variation. What is the cost of the lifetime deal? And I hope I should get an answer. See, so our training phrase was what is the price of LTD, but our question was variant of that. What is the cost of lifetime deal? Suppose if we had multiple question on lifetime deal, let me tell LTD. So you can see it did not understand, but it will say that, okay, this is the probable thing that we are asking. Suppose if we have multiple questions here, then it will list you 1, 2, 3, and then the number of option. Let me show you that very quick. So let me add here another thing. So I'll say what is LTD. I'll say lifetime deal. Oops, again I stopped. I don't know this buttons.
Buttons can be tricky.
Yeah. Do this. Yes. Okay. So now I will ask the same LTD here. Now we had two keywords because we had a keyword. Oh, did I train that one? Okay. Looks like I did not add a keyword. See, this is careful, okay, because I did not mention that as a keyword. So we should make sure that, okay, that question contains keyword. So I will say this contains keyword. Then let me save this one. So, okay, so LTD. You can see right now we had something, two things. So what is the price of LTD and what is this one? Now we have option 1 or 2. So now my assumption is that, okay, 2 is the question that I want to do. What is the LTD? 2. So lifetime deal. So let me try it again, LTD. So what will happen? Let me train this again, 2 LTD. See, can you see here? Because the frequent of the users thought, okay, the what is LTD is the prominent answer. You can see that, okay, the number has been changed here. What is the price of LTD was the first time. Now since I clicked many number of time 2, now my bot assumes that, okay, this is the right question. So now instead of the question it was on second, now it is came on the first. So this how it will train, and then when it feel like, okay, this is like the correct answer, then it will try to show them. So this is what the AI thing. And if you come here, you can able to see that. So you can be able to see is that, okay, we user message with response. These are the things twice. This is the one. What is the cost of land? One. Then most answered training phases. So what is the price of LTD? Was it 3 times? Then you can see that which are the things or not been earlier not respond. You can able to see this one. So the idea is here, keyword based in the messenger, other platform, what will happen? You will give them an option, maybe like after LTD, you may give some few option them. Then if they could not able to select that option, then it breaks. It will not continue. But with our AI, what will happen? It will match with the AI, and then it will start. Bot will go back again. So this way, this is more powerful. So there can't be any break here. Customer can still go complete life cycle. Yes, this is about the customer support or AI what we have here. Yes, we started our own AI and it's gonna be improving day by day. That's it, Jakob, from my side. Maybe we can take up questions.
All right. Anyway, guys, SilferBots is live on our website. So it's pitchground.com/product/SilferBots. So make sure that you will check it, because I think that you can find your very own use case in your business. Anyway, we'll dive into it after the questions again. Question number 64. Can you push these chats to other Facebook page chats? User comes to my website with question for one of my website clients. Can I push the chat over their Facebook page chat?
Yes, we have something called handover things where you can able to, because since the thing is here, everything happens over the URL and ref ID, and we have option to them to go to that particular URL. It can be done. Yes.
All right. If we will attach on other page, then previous page template and other data save in the site.
If we attach a other page, then previous page template and other data save in the site. No, like see, here once if you want to connect the other page, because if it in case of personal, you will get one page. Suppose if you want to connect other one, then what we need to do, you need to delete this one. So basically deleting is nothing but completely erasing whatever you have, and you are creating a fresh to the new page.
Okay. In agency, is it agency admin 1 + 10 accounts?
No, agency is 10 accounts, so including admin. I mean, is business, I can say.
Let's say the client leave. Can we export everything, including the flow, hand it over, and free up one more spot?
Basically, here export. I mean, the flows can be exported as a template as such, but we don't have anything as a like export to maybe our PC or a Mac like that. The free up spot, basically once you delete that particular business page, you will be free up with one account, and you can add new business. So basically at any time agency can have 10 business account.
Okay.
Yeah.
An integration with convert pages would be crazy. That's true. I think it's a good idea.
Yeah, so definitely we can think on this one. So if something is crazy as convert page, why can't we can?
Let's say that, yeah, we answered this one. Do you have plans for WhatsApp, Instagram, and other messaging chat platforms?
See, I want to be frank on this one. Okay, if WhatsApp or anything in future which we want to add here, we want to give generously to our platform. I'm not denying it, but something that will be charges. For example, now if you take WhatsApp, other with there are only limited player, 30 player who got a WhatsApp access, and they are charging us a bomb. So it is something like this. I mean, it is beyond our control. There we may be helpless. I want to be frank here. But if something that is a free for us, where we can able to use like a messenger, then we are happy to extend that one. But if it is something recurring basis, maybe there would be a different plan rather than like a regular plan which we can offer for a regular user. Maybe like highly discounted plan would be there for people. It's all depends upon the platform which we integrate, how they will get charged.
Okay. Can we pick answers from Google Sheet? or a CSV? If not, can it be done later?
Yes, we have an integration with Google Sheet. How much powerful Google Sheet integration is, that I need to validate, because still, as I know that, okay, like the development is there, beta testing is happening. Probably I think my developer can answer this one, okay, or maybe once it is live, because once we integrated Google Sheet, then adding the feature would not take too much of time. Definitely at the later part also, we can do small things like adding things, all those things we can do.
Amazing. I see more licenses are being sold right now. Agency license, amazing, guys. Keep it coming. So if you have any other questions, we'll be answering them. After this webinar, we'll just tag Vijay in the comment sections, but we're already live for 2 hours now. So it's slowly time to wrap this up. So guys, it's a pitchground.com/products/SilferBots. The first license starts on $99 lifetime, and we offer 2 licenses, one for $99, second for $245. Vijay, in short, what is the biggest difference between those two?
Okay, so 99 is one Facebook page, one basically you can able to connect one Facebook page. In agency, you can able to connect 10 Facebook page. The different Facebook page can be yours, or it might be a client. Yeah.
All right. So let me check if we
So
have some more
10 different
questions.
personal account. So basically you are getting $990 worth in the agency in 245. That's crazy for agency owners.
Absolutely. Guys, if you're still on the fence what the SilferBots are for you, we prepared more webinars.
Yes, I mean, PitchGround, especially Udit, convinced me for going unlimited, which we earlier thought for limiting number of subscribers. So then Cyber Monday, Udit Impact, then PitchGround people made me us to go everything unlimited. This is tremendous, because each people, maybe if you add 500 or 1,000, 10,000, maybe people you add, so that will add to our server cost. But since you guys are supporting us in different ways, definitely we are happy to extend this. It's unlimited subscriber. I mean, someone asked me that, okay, like in the comment section that, okay, like yesterday I commented that whatever you invest, that investment I will make sure that you will get 10x investment. And someone commented that one. I will tell simple example. If you take other platform, like if you have probably like 10,000 or 15,000 subscriber, probably you would be end up paying in like 100 to 145, $150 per month. What if you move all those 10,000, 15,000 subscriber to my platform? On a that day you will not spend even penny. The cost of that, even it is like $100 per month, in next 10 months you will get it $1,000. Is it not like 10x of your investment? Definitely.
Absolutely.
Yeah, so it's more even, okay, because if you get like maybe 50,000 subscriber, then charges are maybe $200, $250. Then you get it in within 4 months. Your 10x investment will get in 4 months.
Yeah, it's a no-brainer. Like if you need to use messenger bots in your business or in your agency, like
Yes.
there are no questions about it. Anyway, guys, if you need more education about messenger bots and how to use SilferBots in your business or in your agency or as a business owner now, we do 3 more webinars tomorrow. Increase your e-commerce sales by 15% with Messenger. So this is for all the e-commerce guys we have among us. December 4th, how marketing agencies can skyrocket their revenue with messenger marketing. So I think this will be quite interesting discussion, since you have bottle chat, we have donut bots. It can be fun.
So
This December 5th, automating your customer support with messenger bots. Guys, you can register for all these webinars on silferbots.heysummit.com. It's this link. And it's titled Become a Messenger Bot Master, 5-day free live course by SilferBots. You will just secure your space here, your place here, book my place. You will click this beautiful button, and then we will send you all the good stuff, all the notifications in your email. So guys, once again, silferbots.heysummit.com. And if you're already decided, we are live on PitchGround already. It's PitchGround /products/SilferBots. and you can just click here, this button, and it can be yours. So one last thing, if you still haven't used your PG credits, they're expiring today. And SilferBots is actually a really cool way how to redeem them. If you won't redeem them, I believe in like next 12 hours, they will disappear basically for life.
Yeah, I think so. That gonna be still more crazier. $79 you get lifetime with unlimited subscriber, unlimited everything. I think that gonna be a crazy deal ever.
Absolutely. Guys, all right, thanks a lot for joining, Vijay. This was amazing experience. I will check if we have some more questions. One question from Kiran. When we sell the sub-accounts, what does it show in their billing? I mean, lifetime account or whatever cost we want to show?
As I said, those are different accounts. Probably something that we can do with them, because see, agency will get 10 different accounts, but it's tagged onto your name. I need to check with how the billing will happen there. So definitely they will not show. Are we showing? I'm not sure about it, but I can get it to you. Maybe we can hide that billing information.
All right. About other questions, your team is doing a great job by answering them.
Thanks, team. Thanks, Kumar. Thanks, Antonio. So you guys are
your guys
rock.
amazing.
Yes, thank you.
Like you're answering all the questions really fast. Anyway, thanks everybody for joining. This was really cool. I enjoyed all the questions. I enjoyed all the knowledge by you, Vijay. Thanks a lot for sharing it. And for those of you who needed to leave, or maybe you joined late, replay is available already on our Facebook page after we end this. And it will be available on our YouTube as well. So you can check it, you can skip through it. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So thanks a lot for joining, Vijay. Thanks a lot for joining,
guys.
And Vijay, I will see you tomorrow.
Sure. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Thank you very much. Bye-bye.